Mortuary Park here in California in order to take lessons from this great guy over here. He is Grandmaster Tom Wong. He teaches you Ome Wing Chun from the great woman, the great woman, monk woman who created the art of Yong Chuan or Wing Chun herself. And so his lineage is Yen Kai San, Sum Nung, and now the last Grandmaster right now on planet Earth that we know of, that I know of personally, is Grandmaster Tom Wong. And he wrote this cool book. And if you buy enough of these, he might write a second one. And I might get to read it out for you guys here on the YouTube channel. No, I'm so used to saying on the YouTube channel. On the TikTok. Who gives a crap about YouTube anymore? Anyway, so you can find this on Amazon. If you haven't bought this, go check it out if you're into martial arts. It is riveting, as they say. I also do have a whole series that I made on YouTube where I talk about this cool book and I even read it out to you guys. But I don't know. I may have to do that again on the TikTok where I can do this too, where I can send people loves. So much love. I have so much love to give. But that's a problem. That's why they don't like me over there on the YouTube, because I don't spread enough hate. That's why I left YouTube, because they wanted me to spread hate and misinformation, and I was like, no. So they tanked my views. That's what they did. So I was like, why can't we find ways to love each other more, to to be more unified, to bring people from the left, from the right, to bring them together, to have them talk with and discuss things about things with independence. Why don't we just have a big love fest? Nope. The YouTube algorithm hates all of my videos because that's what I talk about. Anyway, it's nice to be on the TikTok for a change. Let me just say. And who is here? It's Kirk Fagan. Thank you for showing up, Kirk Fagan. This is awesome. It's awesome to have you guys here. Well, guess what? This is what happens to a YouTube channel that sucks the life out of me, that doesn't want to monetize me. Well, they get to be second-class citizens now and listen. All they get to do is listen to a podcast. They won't see my face. They won't see the beautiful hearts that I can make on the TikTok. They'll just be listening to me talk. That's all they get to see. They're sitting in the back. When I was flying with the YouTube, they wouldn't put me in first class. They wouldn't put me in coach. They wouldn't put me in anything. They had me riding in the luggage department. That's how lowly the YouTube crowd had me and just completely bullied